help better serve your clients while we shelter in place by using the additional field search options. This will allow you to search for properties that have a virtual open house or links to a virtual tour of the property. We'll begin by doing a matrix search from the Pro homepage. Input your search criteria and then scroll to the bottom of the page. See underneath the results, additional fields columns. You may notice my screen looks different than yours, as I've already added multiple additional fields. To add an additional field, click the Add button. You'll see the available fields on the left to choose from. In this case, I'll want to add public and agent remarks. To do so, use the search function and type in the word public. Simply choose the available field and hit the Add button. You'll see it's added the public remarks to the right side for my selected fields. I want to do the same for agent remarks. So again, I'll select agent remarks and hit the Add button. You can customize the order these fields are displayed by selecting a specific field and moving it up or down. Ones at the top of my selected fields will be the first to be displayed underneath my search results. Now that we've added agent and public remarks to our selected fields, hit the back button. This will take you back to your search criteria. Again, scroll to the bottom of the page underneath the search results. At the end of the page, you should see the additional fields that you've added. In this case, the agent and public remarks. To search for listings with specific words in the public remarks, use an asterisk, followed by the word you're looking for, and then close it with an asterisk. In this case, I'm looking for listings that have virtual tour links or virtual open house information available for a client to view. So I'll search for words such as www or virtual or open house. To do so, start with an asterisk and then type in the word you're looking for. To search for multiple words, use a comma and again an asterisk followed by the word you're looking for. I put in www and virtual. Any listings with either of these words will now show up in my search results. The same process applies for searching for agent remarks. Once you've inputted the words you wish to search for, scroll back up and view your results. Your results will now only display listings that have at least one of those specific words you searched for. Hopefully this will save you a lot of time and give your clients access to virtual tour links and to listings that have a virtual open house available to them. To get more information on additional fields and advanced searching, check out our Matrix 301 video on our YouTube page.